Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change language in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to additional settings. Then here select language and region and click on edit. Here select other language. Here I would like to select Tamil. Okay. So here I am selecting Tamil, and here your phone will be asking you to set this Tamil as default system language. Click on yes or no. Okay, if you click on yes, Tamil will be directly applied to your phone, and if you go back, Tamil will be in the first option. And if you would like to activate English again, you have to move the English to the first position, and then you can change back to English. Okay, if you would like to add more language, click on edit button again here, and here select other language. Okay, so just here I am going to select Nepali. Okay, and click on no. If you just click on no, that selected language will be listed here and it will not be activated. To activate, click on the language and click on change to Nepali, and it will be changed now. Okay, so in this way you can easily change language in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.